Previously on relationship advice.
I'm single right now, but Pandit has told my mom कि मेरी शादी होने
This
वाली
is
है.
like general shit, right? Like I'm
No,
just saying.
it's he's specific next year. I confirmed. I was like 2020. He said yes.
Okay, and what if it doesn't happen?
It will.
Does he give you the money back?
It suddenly
Yeah, it
become
was-
too sad, dude.
When I tell you, please don't be Saki like him.
You know what? I just want this to happen because now this video will go viral.
ये हिंदुस्तानी लड़के कोई ऐप नहीं छोड़ रहा, कोई ऐप नहीं छोड़ रहा, कोई ऐप नहीं छोड़ रहा.
So I was like, चलो ना करो अब क्या? What is the problem? What are you waiting for? And that's it. He was like, I can't do this anymore, and he left me the next day instantly.
Suddenly
Yeah, it
become too sad, dude.
It was not my year anyway. 2020 होता तो वो नहीं भागता. Okay, you know what? When I get married, I'll do it on Insta Live. Just stop asking me. Just stop it. Because like रोज मेरी फैमिली मुझसे पूछ रही है और ये मैंने क्या कर दिया? अब रोज मुझे इंटरनेट पे लोग पूछ रहे हैं.
दिल लगी भी तेरे दिल को दिल लगी ना लगे दिल लगी भी तेरे दिल को दिल लगी ना लगे दिल लगी भी तेरे दिल को दिल लगी ना लगे.
You know, after the relationship episode, I have gone from only my family caring about my wedding to now so many random people caring about my wedding. I did not expect this. Dude, मुझे सुबह 4 बजे मैसेज आते हैं कभी कभी Instagram पे and these are from like random people. Just no hi, what, nothing. Just सीधा शादी का क्या हुआ? हो गई शादी. It's gone from only my aunties after my life to now like whoever seen the episode is just messaging me and going like, so are you married yet? What's happening about your marriage? Is the Pandit right? If your Pandit is right, can I meet the Pandit? I've also got marriage proposals of people.
That's quite cool.
Yeah, I got marriage proposals from people saying, oh, even my Pandit had said 2020 and yours has also. So why not? This wasn't even like, will you? It was, why not? Why not? And the thing is, okay, this guy who sent why not, I was like, देख profile तो देखते हैं. Dude, I went to this guy's profile and he wasn't even following me. I think if you're going to propose to someone, you should follow them on Instagram first. Dude, they still come every day. Abhi bhi show aane wala hai, abhi bhi aaya mujhe. Somebody has messaged me saying, so 2020 was supposed to be your year. I get this at least once a day, if not more than that.
How much has that broken you as a person?
I mean, I snapped once.
Really?
Because I was doing an Insta live, okay, and I wanted like questions, and people kept asking, dude. So I I think I spent few seconds just like schooling people, just being like, okay, you know what? When I get married, I'll do it on Insta live. Just stop asking me. Just stop it. Because like रोज मेरी फैमिली मुझसे पूछ रही है और ये मैंने क्या कर दिया? अब रोज मुझे इंटरनेट पे लोग पूछ रहे हैं. Everywhere.
Dude, I think at this point, we should make a petition for Punya to be on season 2 of Indian Matchmaking.
Oh yeah, this also, by the way, somebody messaged and asked me. So now you're going to be on season 2.
By the way, forget that somebody messaged you. I saw you tweet to Seema Tapare also. Don't pretend like that didn't happen.
But dude, like this, everything that was happening in season 1 on Indian matchmaking is happening to me. Like वैसे ही social media पे.
People are setting you up, basically.
Some people are just making fun of me. Some people are very interested to know if there's some setup, and if there is, then they also want to be set up. Can they meet the same Pandit?
Wait, I want to ask
I
you
think ये
just one
पंडित का
second.
बिजनेस बस अगर हो जाना तेरी शादी हो जो पंडित की लाइफ सेट हो जाएगी ना.
Yeah, because the year is not over yet.
The
Okay.
year is not over yet. By the
It's
way, I have been
August.
telling people this that.
Oh,
the
so
year
you
is-
still have faith?
Yeah, I still have hope. Like this is.
I think the next episode we'll have to shoot on December 31st at like
Yeah.
close to midnight.
Dude, but that's so fucked up because, like, you know, like every day you're hearing some shit, right? Like Lebanon, something's happening, and every time something bad is happening, Punya's like, "Nee, it'll happen. My thing will happen. Don't worry. Like, this is good." She doesn't care. Like, however bad.
I mean, I care, but I'm just like, realistically, 2020 is not over yet. 2020 can be considered cancelled. 2021 is the new 2020. So I have found.
No.
That's not how years work, you know that, right? Just because there's a bad
Well,
year,
a pandemic-
that didn't happen.
I think pandemic is considered as a pause. Like how if you pause a video, then when you play it,
Right.
it plays from where you started.
But Punya, only you are pausing it. Everybody else.
Yeah.
I just want to inform you that my mom did speak to the Pandit again because she was like, "Yeah, आपने बोला था 2020
हाँ,
And?
फिर?
और अभी ये कोरोना आ गया." So
What did he say?
he was like, "Well, कोरोना का मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता," is what he said. But he also said कि अभी साल खत्म नहीं हुआ है. And he said birthday के बाद मिल जाएगा लड़का.
When's your birthday?
October.
which month?
October.
Oh, yes.
He-
This Pandit picked up the phone and he was like, नहीं अब तक नहीं आए? हाँ, October के रुको. Hello, Seema Taparia?
But this he schooled my mom a little bit. He said, "आप ढूंढ रहे हो, नहीं ढूंढ रहे तो फिर कैसे ऐसे पूछ सकते हो and all that." So he's like, "You
वो तो
can't
पंडित is
expect."
also like तुम्हें homework करना पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
So Punya, I just want to ask you one question. All these people who have tried to set you up with someone, has there been anyone who you've been like, oh, this seems like a decent guy I want to be set up with?
Dude, okay, if I have to be very honest, just everything has seemed so terrible. Like it's just there. Everybody seems like.
Okay.
I'm sorry, but it's
Like, what do you want?
just
What do you want in a guy?
Oh, he should be following me on Instagram.
It'll be so creepy if you get like 200 followers today. Like, it's just so.
मैं जैसे ही मना करूंगी वो मेरे को unfollow कर देगी. No, but realistically, I thought about my criteria and I saw an Indian matchmaking bot directly बोलते हैं सब. So he has to be taller
Right.
than me for sure,
Right.
and decent, good family. And they should be very accepting of divorce. Not because मैं divorce के लिए prepare कर रही हूँ, but because my mom is divorced. So I don't want people to...
What?
I wanted to get to... I should have said that first. And he should drink for sure. Like, at least socially. Like, he doesn't have to be a drunkard, but he has to be... he has to drink.
Suddenly 200 people have followed Punya and in their bio, I drink.
I love divorce. Divorce is my favorite. I do divorce every day.
I like how none of you believe this. By the way, put some faith into this, guys. Like,
No,
ये तुम लोगों ने किया है. Last
you know-
time किसी में faith नहीं था.
You know,
I also think that this fucking whatever Pandit sounds like a grocery guy, man. You'll be like, when I order, they'll be like, लड़का निकल गया, लड़का बस निकल होएगा. Like, he's just giving you like, he's not giving you solid, ke, like, this is when he'll come.
But have you ever been in an arranged marriage setup? Like
Yes, I have. So I met this guy through my aunt only. And I mean, okay, I don't mean to sound like a shallow person, but he was
Ugly.
of not meeting my criteria.
What was exactly?
फिर?
He was not, like I said, not taller than me.
Right.
So वो थोड़ा मतलब some Delhi, I'm not saying all Delhi people, but some Delhi guys are typical Delhi guys, and I didn't know this. Like he really spoke like how Vicky Malhotra talks.
हाँ.
That's Varun Thakur's character. He was actually like that. He was like, he was like that.
Huh.
And the thing is, we spoke on the phone first. So I thought he was joking. I thought because he thinks I'm a comic, तो ये ऐसे मजाक कर रहा है मेरे साथ. क्या ऐसे करूँगा? And when I meet him, I thought he'll be like, you know. So I met him at my aunt's 25th wedding anniversary function, where I didn't know I was meeting this guy. We had just spoken on the phone once, and I thought, okay, बाद में एक meeting वगैरह होगी, which also happened. But the first time I properly met him was at my aunt's 25th wedding anniversary, And I was standing at the bar getting a drink, and she told him कि ये वो लड़की है जा. And I didn't know this. So I was like ambushed, right? So I didn't know. So he came up to me and was like, hey, remember me? We spoke, yeah.
And then?
And that was the first time we met in person. He like nudged me like this. And said, remember me? We spoke, yeah. And I was like,
And then did he say, even my pundit said 2020, why not?
And then he was like, तो तुम क्या drink pink ले रही हो? And I was like, yeah, मैं ले रही हूँ. So he was like, I'm Puneet, yeah, Puneet. And his name is actually Puneet. And he's like, तुम्हें पता है अगर हम साथ होते together we would be hashtag poo poo.
He legit said this.
He legit.
But dude, isn't this guy your love of your life? He came with Instagram and a hashtag.
Yeah. वो बेचारा सोच कर आया होगा कितनी बढ़िया पिकअप लाइन है. उसे 3-4 दोस्तों को कंसल्ट करा होगा, सबने बोला होगा भाई लड़की पड़ जाएगी.
वो शादी का hashtag सोच के आया.
Nah, the problem is with this show.
No, I think he already thought of the Shadi ka hashtag and then found you to fit that hashtag.
Oh God.
By the way, I don't know if Angad and Punya know this. In the last episode, Deep was dating a girl he met on LinkedIn.
Oh, right.
Now I'm single.
Oh, the
that
connection
changed.
broke off.
Yeah, I've been getting a lot of those like LinkedIn weird fucking like in my others folder. I don't know, just like very bad LinkedIn jokes like endorse me and all of that.
Endorse me, daddy.
I've been getting. Yeah, but in my defense, like we actually ended it on a really good note that I wrote her a recommendation for whoever she'd date next. like a really nice detailed recommendation of dating her was really amazing and she's good at this. These are her weaknesses. These are her.
Deep, are you saying this as a joke or did you really do that?
I really did this. It was like a good.
You fucking cheeseball.
I mean, I was doing it while crying. I wasn't doing it all happy. I was all like heartbroken, like, oh my god, this will be memory, right? But like, it was like a nice way to like kind of close the loop.
Did she write you a recommendation?
No.
एक मिनट, but where did you post this recommendation?
Oh no. That I mailed it to her on Instagram, and I said to whomsoever it may concern next, right? So I wrote like a proper, like how you write somebody. And like, when you're writing for a job and then say, this was great about her. It was a great experience dating her, but this is what you should look out for.
I know why she didn't write you a recommendation.
No, but we're damn good friends, yeah, so it's chill.
What did she say about this?
She said, oh.
Okay.
ये writing a recommendation is just a Bandra version of drink कर रहे हो क्या?
If you guys have any questions, please raise your hand. Okay, get Nidhi Lanka on chat.
Hey dude, this is so cool. This is like Arnab.
Okay, Nidhi, shoot.
Hi, so I'm 22 years old and I'm a final year MBBS student.
Wow.
May make you wonder why I'm here, but okay.
नहीं डॉक्टरों को भी प्यार होता है यार, क्या हो गया?
No, so just to give like
We've
some,
all watched. Sorry, continue.
yeah, Grey's Anatomy.
I was going to say Sanjeevni. But
Okay. So just to give like some background to this, it's like I have two very strong personalities, very contradictory but equally strong. So it's like one side is like pyar is like, what is this? Like why? Like it's got a very like Rosa Diaz approach to it. Like इतना ही तुम्हारे पास time and energy है तो खुद में invest करो ना.
right.
And then the second thing is very Karan Johar, okay? Like not even kidding. I can quote K3G and kuch hota hai line by line.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
So, but then there's this guy, okay, that I met on Bumble, which is like,
Yeah,
So-
we are not that old. We know Bumble.
yeah. So he asked
Yes.
for like, he asked for my Instagram and then we spoke on phone, at which point normally I would ghost people or
Right.
unmatch or whatever. But we started talking and we kept talking for like 2 months now. And in the beginning, he was really, he wanted a relationship, which I found like weird. Like, how can you want it within 3-4 days of knowing someone? Then his best friend had a breakup or whatever, and his job had some issue. And then he was like, I'm petrified, I'm scared, I'm not sure, I want a relationship. I was like, cool, we are on the same page. But now, I don't know, I sort of, after a very long time, I feel ready, like genuinely after a lot of like, as cliche as it sounds, soul searching. But now he says that he's not ready for one. He says that he likes me a lot, genuinely. What should I do about it? Like, should I look for someone else? But I don't want to. Like, he's very sweet, he's very nice, and I don't feel like looking for anyone else. So, or should I just forget all this and concentrate on medicine and surgery? Because
I mean, you should concentrate on medicine and surgery generally in life. Yeah.
yes, agree.
Yeah. मैं कभी तेरा पेशेंट बना तो मेरे को पहले चेक करना पड़ेगा कि लव लाइफ ठीक है या नहीं है.
Okay, I don't mean to sound cynical, but मुझे लगता है कि ये इसलिए बोल रहा था कि ये interested है क्योंकि ये नहीं थी. And say out of personal experience, I can say that you all will date for 3 years ऐसे on off, then he'll find someone else when he's ready.
Oh God!
Wow, Punya is becoming Pandit ji right now.
Punya has.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं होगा तो.
So Nidhi, why don't you just like pretend to stop liking him and then see if he likes you back, and then you'll know if this is right, and then continue to stop liking him at your wedding with him.
But like on just a very serious note, I feel like if guys say they're not ready, which means they're not interested. Because if a guy is interested, he's always ready, right? Like there is no guy like Ronak was ready to marry when he was 18, right? Like he was like dude, actually Ronak in college he was just such an avara person. One day he met Henna, next day he's like the best boy on earth, right? So I feel like if a guy knows he wants to get into it, he'll get into it. And other than that, he just doesn't have anyone else to talk to in the pandemic.
And this is you didn't go from Rosa Diaz to Karan Johar. You went from Naina and Kalona Ho to Naina afterwards in Kalona Ho.
Yeah. Maybe he'll die of a heart disease.
Oh my God.
Wow, it's so funny if he dies and he comes to the hospital what you're working in.
And he's like, you ghosted me, now I'm a ghost. Let our souls search each other.
Maybe what you want to do, like what does your heart say? Like what do you like? What is like gut feeling say that yes or no?
दीप तेरी नौकरी लेके जा रहा है रौनक.
His voice is very sweet, and it's just he's always there. If I have like my period or stuff, he'll be like, call me anytime you want, even if it's the middle of the night, even though he sleeps early. Like
This new age guys have cracked that just show sympathy during periods. You will be nice.
Yeah. Okay, if we weren't in a pandemic, would you still be interested in him? Like, would you still want?
I probably might not have spoken only much because I might not have had the time. So.
Okay, then a big regret that happens when you're 22 is that you feel like a person is more important than your career, right? And then later, I'm just saying because dude, love is a shitty thing. Like love is a fuck all thing where you'll just feel like while doing operations, you'll be like, I just want to get done with this. Like all this happens like bullshit, right? And then when you're 24, right, and you're in an operation where you could have learned something you didn't, you'll remember this fucker, right? You'll be like because of it.
No.
Says the guy who found a girlfriend on LinkedIn.
हाँ, तेरे अंदर कुछ ज्यादा ही गुस्सा भरा हुआ है यार. हर किसी के साथ ऐसा नहीं होता है.
He's like, love is shitty. Operation करते हुए दीप, तुम तो operation मत करना किसी का.
It's natural, yeah.
No, but that's like once I fought or whatever, and it kind of motivates me more because I'm like, I don't want to think about this. So I finished Gynac completely because I was like, I better do that.
Can I ask you?
I thought you finished. You would have talked about a show. You finished one show. नहीं, इसने किताबें खत्म कर.
Wait, Gynac is not a show?
No, Gynac, अरे.
It's just
Subject?
yeah.
Oh. Gynac is that guy my wife tells me to come with her to and I said nahi jaunga.
I think Nidhi, during your exams, you should just have the fight with a guy because you're like, कल इसका पेपर है, मैं झगड़ा करती हूँ, तो मैं आज पूरी रात पढ़ाई खत्म कर लूँगी.
Yeah.
Cut to like 20 years later, right before she's pitching at Shark Tank, she calls this guy up and he's like, "Abhi kya hai yaar?"
I think the best thing to do is if this is very bad advice, I guess. I don't know.
Say it.
And please don't think
Please
कि
say
मैं
it,
ये
Punya. I want to
करती
hear
हूँ.
it, please.
But I think if you really want to know if he's interested, you should just ignore him.
I just want to say to everybody DMing Punya, now you know why she's ignoring you.
Yeah. So weird, dude. I feel like this show right now is a stalker assimilation program for Punya. That's what this show is right now.
My boyfriend and I live in small houses with our families and we have no space for intimacy. We usually book rooms, but because of the pandemic, that's also out of the question. I proposed the idea of meeting in a secluded park as most outdoor areas are completely empty. My boyfriend called me crazy. Am I wrong?
This sounds like a customer review on Oyo Rooms. Like this is the only time you can legit go to a park and there are no Buddha people because they're scared of dying.
Right. And if you see a Buddha person, you pull his mask to his eyes. Just
Yeah. What's a good garden which has a nice name to have sex in?
Poo Park.
Poo park.
Lodhi Garden.
We need to first figure out how big this family is. Because like when I was a kid, I lived in a joint family, so that it's impossible to have space. But luckily, I was a kid and did not have a girlfriend to have sex with.
And she said they live in a small house.
Yeah, but मैंने मुंबई में ही सुना है. I could be wrong, but I heard that you could like get a mattress in a mangrove. वहाँ पे
What?
वहाँ पे जो कौन सा कोई क्या है?
Sundarbans.
नहीं वहाँ पे
Sanjay Gandhi
mangrove है
National
ना?
Park.
Are you talking about Are? Because that's
Yeah, somewhere there. I've heard.
They
Like,
cut trees. Nobody can have sex there anymore.
Those people at the protest were like, save the mangroves, and they're holding mattresses behind themselves.
The trees, guys, only place left.
But yeah, who is telling you all this यार? ये तो किसी ने नहीं सुना.
ये देवड़ी देख के आई है, कुछ नहीं है ये.
नहीं मुझे किसी ने बोला था बॉम्बे में. They showed me also ये वाली जगह पे.
ये is this your Pandit ji again?
No. Guys, but इसने बोला है my boyfriend called me crazy. But he didn't say no. He just called her crazy.
It could also be one of the six. Ah, you're crazy.
You're
ah.
Wink, wink.
Like, come on, let's poo-poo.
She's not used the word sex.
Yeah, she said any intimacy. It could be.
Any intimacy. So she just wants to hold his hand, and that's why he's calling her crazy. Because she's like, "अरे sex नहीं किया हम लोगों ने तेरे को हाथ पकड़ना है." That's.
Or maybe he's saying कि COVID के time पे कौन हाथ पकड़ रहा है यार?
Why can't she just sneak him in like good old fashioned?
कह रही ना घर छोटा है.
But सब सो जाते होंगे ना किसी टाइम पे तुम.
Yeah, like it's peak lockdown. This person you love lives in another building. You love this person, but you don't know if they have the virus. Would you leave everything and still meet them?
If I was living by myself, yeah. But because I live with my mom, no. I don't want to. Like.
Fair.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah. That's
also,
a
she
good.
could be listening to this right now. So I just. No.
Yeah, your mom's in the other room. Huh? Mangroves, mein. That's fine. I told Henna this. I told Henna that good we're married, right? Because otherwise we wouldn't meet for the first 4 months. And she got offended. She was like, "What? You wouldn't make an effort to meet me?" And I was like, "I don't know the people in your building."
Dude, you know what? I think Henna won't want to meet you for 4 months. After this. Well, like, have any of you like done something like that or gotten caught or like?
Dude, when Henna and I started dating, I had taken her to my terrace, okay? And we were just looking outside.
And then you shot Bazigar movie over there.
And then I shot Bazigar. That's exactly what happened. and then I leaned in to kiss her. And then one auntie who lives like on the top floor walks past and says, "Chichi, kya kar rahe ho?" At that exact moment. And walks past. Okay, and ever since, we both have been so traumatized. We never show like any sort of like PDA in any public place because we're scared that fucking auntie will show up again. That was like in the first month of our relationship, and that fucking auntie has scarred us till today.
Like they go and shame others, so everyone leaves, and then they're like, "Oh, we'll do here only." Like that's a great plan, right? Just shame others, they'll leave.
I sneaked someone in once at home and I got caught. And the worst part is my mom, like, she didn't yell at me or anything, but like the room door was locked, so she didn't like catch us like that way, but she was knocking कि कुछ आवाज आ रही है whatever, so I had to obviously open the door. And then she's like, "अरे तुम यहाँ?" And then she realized also for a second, but she was like, "अच्छा बाहर आओ, चलो कुछ खिलाती हूँ मैं तुम्हें, चलो बैठो." नहीं कुछ खा के ही जाना. He's like, "No auntie, I'll leave. No I'm fine auntie. No." She's like, नहीं बैठो तुम. वो इतना उसको बिठा लिया कि तुम कुछ खाओ, कुछ पियो, कुछ ये, कुछ वो. That dude, it was just the weirdest experience. Like now you're here, so she's like वो चाय बना. नहीं तुम कुछ खाना ही पड़ेगा. It was just.
That's so funny, but it's just like तुम खाओ यार, तुम बराबर नहीं कर रहे थे, तुम खाओ.
No, not that.
And then he ate all the food and he was like, "Auntie, I need to go #poo-poo."
I'm 32 male and I'm married 2 years. I want a separate room from my wife. I love her a lot, but I am an extremely light sleeper and wake up every time she moves. Okay, she won't say no, but I think she sleeps better when I'm with her. Am I an asshole to her?
Dude, but can't married people have their own rooms? I want my
They
own
can.
room.
I think that's the future, guys.
I'm a light sleeper, dude. I also want my own room when I get married. मुझे so मैं नहीं सो सकती किसी के पास.
Arey, then how to nudge you in their sleep?
एक तो पुण्या तुम्हें लड़का मिल नहीं रहा है, दुनिया जहाँ के पंडित लग गए. और तुम्हें ये चाहिए कि कमरा भी अलग चाहिए, तलाक से भी दिक्कत ना हो.
But what I feel sad, right, is that this guy is 32, right? Like, and I feel like this problem I've only seen in my grandparents. Like, you know, after a while, your grandparents start sleeping in other rooms. Like, have you noticed that? Like, after 55, 60.
Yeah.
So I've only seen in cases जहाँ पे उनको तलाक लेना था, but हिम्मत नहीं थी लेने की. So they are like, fuck it, मेरे को नहीं देखना तेरा चेहरा सुबह उठ के. So then they start sleeping in different rooms.
Dude, this is such a hard time because I thought my grandparents really loved each other. So I'm just like, now I'm reassessing. I'm like, was it that reason?
Dude, because my grandparents slept in the same room till my grandfather passed away. But I didn't have the heart to tell you that was the case in my house.
I didn't know it was your grandparent. I thought you had a general observation.
No, Ronak, as like, just respect to my grandparents, could you edit this part out? Like, I think that'll be nice.
Angad, why did you do this? Are you also, do you have the same problem? Are you a light sleeper?
तब देखो बीच में बच्चा सो रहा है तो कुछ हो तो रहा है नहीं बेडरूम में.
Right.
ठीक है, तो इसे might as well separate bedrooms पे ही सो लो.
So I think that's why my grandparents didn't sleep in the same room.
Because of Deep, this grown-ass 25-year-old man sleeping in between his grandparents like this. Angad, you moved into a new house last year, right? So you do have more rooms than you did before.
But that other room now is for nanny.
And you and the nanny don't sleep together.
Yeah.
Shit.
There's no shit to it, okay? But I've like proposed this idea to my wife once, you know.
What, sleeping with the nanny?
No. Ki let's take like a 1 BHK on rent next to each other. Let's have our separate rooms and stuff.
That's an asshole move, dude. That's 2 separate houses.
Like
That's
separate
not 2 rooms.
apartments.
That's so funny, dude. How do you propose that? 2 separate rooms, that 2 halls also will have, 2 bathrooms also will have.
And he literally proposed. He went down on his knees and said it.
With a key. Will you move into the other house?
The only one benefiting is the broker.
Yeah. But she wasn't too happy about it, so.
I was just saying that, you know, like Queen Elizabeth and Prince Philip sleep in separate beds.
Yeah. Because Deep went to London and did this.
I am 20 Matador. And
20
I'm always,
Matador.
Yeah.
It's Mahapurush.
Mahapurush. I'm 20 Mahapurush. I'm always known in my college for someone who stands up for any sort of social justice and human rights. In Feb, I was attending a pride parade with my best friend who's 19, Mahapurush. And at a party
That's Matador.
That's Matador, okay. I'm sorry. Who's 19 Matador. And at a party after, he came out to me and tried to kiss me. Because I'm straight, I pushed him away. But because he's my best friend, I also said, gross, dude. This caused 2 problems. Problem number 1. Although my best friend, I have spoken about it after, things are still a little awkward between us.
Right.
Problem 2, for those who saw, I have gotten a bit of a reputation of a homophobic hypocrite because it seems I should have been happier for him coming out. What do I do?
Like if his female best friend, who he has platonic feelings for, kisses him, he probably would say the same thing, right?
Right. What his best friend did was harassment sort of a thing.
But I don't
probably
think in
has the
pride
same-
parades, they randomly go around kissing people like
Yeah,
that.
exactly. They
That's
don't.
Yeah, obviously they don't.
This obvious.
And
Yeah, it's not that.
And मैं इस सब पे ये देख रहा हूँ कि कोई भी उसके बेस्ट फ्रेंड को ब्लेम नहीं कर रहा who went in for a kiss without any consent of any form.
Right.
If any guy is trying to kiss you and you're straight, you might blurt out that word in that moment.
Right, sure. I feel like, how can you call him a hypocrite, right? Like,
Yeah, you cannot.
Okay, imagine if this guy was like, okay, I'm happy for you, and then had to spend the rest of his life lying to his friend that he's into this relationship.
But he also wants a separate room.
Yeah, because if you actually say anything else, like if you just say great, like that just means that's the only, you can only express a negative emotion. Like, you know, you can't just like, then you're also coming out. Then you're like, no, I'm not gay, guys. Like, it just...
Yeah, then
Talk to
everyone's like,
guy.
"Arey yaar, Sharma, but come back out, come back out."
Come back out, is so funny. People who go into the...
Back out.
Oh, that's hilarious.
And मुझे तो सबसे पहले ये चीज फनी लगी कि वो लिख रहा है कि बिकॉज इज माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड आई ऑल्सो सेट ग्रोस डूड. तो मतलब कोई रैंडम लड़का कर रहा होता तो तू बोलता हाँ आजा चिपक ले.
I don't think he would have said, "Aja chipak le."
I think he's trying to establish that, look, I'm straight, but I'm so cool. I'm going to a pride parade, this, that, whatever. I think that he's trying to do. Ki, dekh, मैं cool हूँ. वैसे मैं cool हूँ. I'm cool, I'm cool. I think he's trying to do that a lot. But do you really need to, I'm cool, if you are really cool?
Fair.
Yeah. That's
Like-
the first thing you don't do if you're cool. Is
Yeah,
to say
that's-
that you're cool. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. He's equating everything to social justice.
You know, like when you start a conversation with, I'm a feminist, but, you know, women...
Yeah.
But divorce is still wrong. Now, how you can...
No, but I mean, he's like, oh, just because it was my best friend, I said gross dude. Like,
Okay,
because...
I
हाँ, वो
what
तो
if-
मुझे भी थोड़ा प्रॉब्लमेटिक लगा. हाँ, कोई रैंडम स्ट्रेंजर होता तो आई वुड हैव सेड सर आई हम्बली अपोलोजाइज.
To be honest, if it was my best friend, I would have said something worse.
yeah, I would not say gross dude. I would not say anything positive either.
Yeah, it's gonna be negative. Like it's gonna be तो बावला हो गया क्या?
Yeah.
You can't support...
That's such a children's movie word. Put your hand up. Okay, Shantanu Sharma, let's get him on.
Someone saying after this, I think your followers will go down.
Shantanu Sharma only saying that.
Dude, Shantanu is a great troll because he accepted and then did not switch on his.
Yeah, I think that's why he said your followers will go down. I think he'll only unfollow me.
Oh, he's been giving hate or Shantanu on the chat.
No.
Oh,
Came back.
Shantanu.
Hello.
Why did you say my followers will go down?
I just because firstly, everyone was like, people will stalk you, they're going to stalk you, they're going to DM you. Then they will hear what your solutions are to these problems. And they'll be like, fuck, I don't want to get into this. No offenses, just trying to be funny.
No, please be offensive.
Please.
Shantanu, what is your question?
Ronak, just I want to say, I have advised relationship advice to so many people. The first season was fucking awesome, dude.
Thanks, man.
You are so hilarious. And
Thank
this
you,
was my
thank you.
favorite episode. That's why I booked the tickets for
This one? Yeah, this was my favorite episode too, which is why I asked him to come back. And also because Punya would sell a lot of tickets because she said 2020. So tell me, Shantanu, what is your relationship?
My problem is not a very unique one, but it is like me and I'm 22 Matador. And I have a girlfriend. We have been in a relationship from last 2 years. And this is in college. So, and we don't have any hostels in our college. So we live in flats. So we have been living in a live-in type of a relationship for last 1.5 years.
Very nice.
This pandemic has obviously we have been living. She's in another city, I'm in another city, and we cannot meet. And we need to have some stuff. And I'm not good at sexting and all. And
Right.
I don't get the concept.
Dude, I'm terrible at sexting. Dude, it is
Same.
so. I find it so fucking weird.
Wait, that's the point.
Why?
I can't text. I want to do this to you.
Dude, thank you.
Yeah, it's not weird at all.
I also don't find it weird.
But I think sexting is also one of those things, right? Like, I get what the problem is. Like, it's one of those things where you do it at night and then you read the same text in the morning and you can't relate to this person, right? You're like, I am this person. Like, I want to choke her. Like, why would I want to do that? Like,
Don't you delete it after you're done though? I don't.
अब जब सबको पता ही है तो क्या डिलीट करना?
LinkedIn doesn't have that feature. Guys.
dude, I have never sexted on LinkedIn. Like, that is
We never know, Deep. We never know.
I think if she's trying to put an effort and she expects you to put an effort, all jokes aside, for her sake, out of respect, you should try to put an effort back. even though you might be uncomfortable because maybe
The problem is, when I try to make an effort, I'm too bad at it.
yeah, but then you can be honest about it, right?
I cannot do that.
You can video call.
I'm not into. We can video call. I am
Yeah,
okay with
texting
video call.
is weird, right?
But then also,
अरे जब वीडियो कॉल नहीं होता था हमारे बचपन में तो यही करना पड़ता था ना भाई.
हमारे बचपन में तुम कौन सा सेक्सटिंग कर रहे हो?
कर रहे थे भाई. Nokia 3300 था मेरे पास. और क्या करे, ₹1.5 करके कर रहे थे. कम से कम शब्दों में हो रहा था सब कुछ.
Angad with his Nokia 3300 does asterisk, nudges you on your shoulder, asterisk.
my family knows about her. Her family knows about me. We can call anytime we want. There is no issue. मतलब family issue कोई नहीं है. पूरे time call पे रहते हैं. बहुत बात कर चुके हैं. Now we don't have as much topics to talk about. So we are just. I am just into, and I have texted Angad privately also and DM'd because I'm too much into comedy. I just want to. I
thought मेरे साथ सेक्सटिंग कर रहा है बैठ के कि भाई कोई तो कर ले.
Not that. I'm just too much into comedy and just want to be a comedian. So I just keep on. She finds out some cute stuff, some Dice Media episode, something nice. She's sending me, and I just don't watch the videos. And I keep sending her. तूने देखा तन्मय भट्ट का नया स्ट्रीम क्या चल रहा है?
Right.
मतलब मैं सिर्फ कॉमेडी स्टफ भेज रहा हूँ. वो मुझे ऐसा स्टफ भेज रही है जो मेरे को नहीं देखना, क्यूट स्टफ एंड ऑल.
I don't understand how someone says send nudes after you send Tanmay's video.
Yeah. I think that's why you're not sexting.
What does she feel about sexting though? Like,
Yeah.
मतलब she is into it. She feels मतलब at night ऐसे रात में 2-3 बजे चैट कर रहे हैं. She's like okay, let's talk. Something.
Don't give us an example. Don't give us an example. It's fine.
it's fine.
She starts it and I'm like, no bro, मुझे सोना है. I'm not into it.
मेरा सिर दर्द कर रहा है. It's what you want.
He replies saying, Carrie, revive, Carrie.
That's what's happening. I don't know what to talk about.
But I just feel like if you have it really uncomfortable doing it, just say things, just role play, right? Like think you're doing a play. Go like, let me just say it because I'm a character right now. And that probably help.
Oh, that's why she's making you watch the Dice Media shows.
I mean, you can also just be a little romantic rather than just sending like Tanmay's videos and comedy videos. Maybe just be like, I miss you. If you were here, I'd make dinner. I don't know, say nice things also maybe rather than
I
just
do say nice things. It's not like every time she's like, I love your dancing. Le Carrie Minati.
That's how I picture this.
Bro, that's exactly how you described it.
No, not that. I'm not that kind of an ass.
I feel like sexting only feels weird like the first 2-3 times. Then you're like with it. And you can just repeat things you've said earlier.
Yeah. It's exactly like Tanmay streams.
Oh man. I think we are ruining it for him further.
I don't think we solved anything for him, right? I don't think
I don't think he came here looking for a solution. He just came looking for content to talk with his girlfriend. आज मैंने ये करा, देख आज तो मैं टॉपिक लेकर आया हूँ.
She will be so happy that I was on. If this goes on YouTube, she will be so fucking happy.
Dude, 1 second. If she sees you say this, she's gonna be chill about it?
She is very chill.
Bro, she's a keeper, man. She's a keeper. I think you should just tell her honestly that I'm bad at this. Please guide me, and then go where she's taking you, and then you'll figure it out.
That can be done. That can be done.
हाँ, उसको वो काम करे ये तो चलेगा मुझे.
Yeah, just say yes, na. I'm saying yes is also a good thing to say in sexting. She's like, I want to do this. You're like, yes.
Send gifs like this.
Great.
He sends Tanmay gifs like this, like.